Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's Emem back with another video. So today I am going to be showing you guys how to get this beautiful summer dewy glowy look. It's almost summer. Summer is almost here. I'm very excited. I'm just excited to be done with the semester, to be honest. But yeah, so today I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this beautiful glowy dewy summer look to get you ready for summer. I hope you guys enjoy this video and I'm going to go straight into the tutorial right now. Alright, so the first thing that I do is make sure that my skin is fully moisturized, as you can see, and then I'm going to go straight into my eyebrows. So for my eyebrows, it's really nothing serious. What I do is just fill out the ends because I have like very sparse hair on the ends of my eyebrows, and then I just put a little bit of strokes in the middle of the eyebrows. As you can see, my eyebrows are already thick, so I don't really do too much. I'm using the L'Oreal brow liner, and then I'm going in with the No Filter concealer from Colourpop, and I'm just going to conceal under and on top of my eyebrows a little bit, basically just covering up some extra hairs that I should get threaded but I haven't, and basically just carving out my eyebrows to make them look shapely. And so that's basically all I had to do for my eyebrows, nothing serious. And then now I go into foundation. I'm using the Fenty Beauty foundation in the shade 450. It's my favorite foundation. I love it so much. I just put it over my face, and then I'm going to blend it in with my foundation brush. This just goes on very nicely. I really like how Fenty foundation is. It's just my favorite thing. And so also don't forget to put it over your eyes. I feel like people forget to put it on their eyelids, but just like foundation should go over your whole face. And then after that, I'm going to go in with my concealer, the same No Filter concealer from Colourpop, and I'm going to put that under my eyes and my nose, on my forehead, the usual spots for putting concealer, my chin, and then I'm also going to put it in my my cheekbone depression area, so like right under it, because I'm kind of going to do a little bit of contouring, so just put like a little line under there to help with my contour. Now I'm going to go in with my beauty sponge that is damp, completely wet actually, and I am going to blend out all my concealer in those places, making sure to just concentrate on those places and just blend out everything that I put around. And yeah, that's the concealer blended into my skin. And now I'm going to go in with my Anastasia stick foundation, I think in the shade Earth, and I'm going to put the foundation in those depression areas of my forehead and on the sides of my nose, the usual contouring areas. Basically just like makes your face look like you have nice cheekbones and your nose smaller, things like that. And so I'm just going to go in and blend that foundation with the concealer. It kind of makes my cheekbones come out, as you can see. And yeah, that's what I'm gonna do for contouring. And now I'm going to have like a music break because I was listening to some bomb music.
Because I'm a fool, but that's what you do to me. You make me weak, you make me free, you make me all the things that I always dreamed a man would make me be.
Alright, so back to business. I really think I have a really good music taste. Maybe I should actually do a music playlist video. I think I'm gonna do it. Anyways, but yeah, that's what my foundation looks like so far. That's all I have for that. Now I'm going to move into my eyes. I'm using the Tarte eyebrow palette, and so I'm going to use this first color, which is kind of burgundy-ish. I really like the color, and I'm just going to use it all over my eyelid. Basically it's going to be in the bridge and also just all over my eyelid, focusing on just taking it all the way around in like strokes. So that's what it looks like. And now I'm going to go in with the other shimmery shade, and I'm going to go in more closer to my eyelashes and basically just put that all over that area and then blend it in with the burgundy color. And yeah, that's kind of what it looks like. It looked really pretty, just very simple and summer spring look kind of thing. So that's what it looks like. And I'm also going to put a little bit of those colors in on my lower eyelid, as you can see, just to kind of bring the color out. And that's what my eyes look like. I think they look really, really pretty. They're very simple and nice. So now, because I wanted my eyes to kind of look darker, I went in with my eyeliner and just put a little bit of that on my lower tear line. And now I'm going to go into my mascara. I'm using the Dewy mascara. I really love this mascara. And yeah, that's what I'm going to use for my mascara. Also putting it on my lower eyelashes as well, just making sure that my eyes pop, you know, got to pop. And so that's what it looks like. I think, yeah, it just looks so pretty. So now I'm going to go into more of the highlights. I'm using the e.l.f. bronzer, and I'm just bronzing my face. I love this bronzer so much. As you can see, you kind of just want to put it in like a triangle shape over your forehead and your cheekbone, as you can see as I'm doing. And I'm going to go in with the highlighter from the Tarte eyeshadow palette, and yeah, put that on my cheekbones and on my under my eyebrows, on my nose, and just basically the usual highlighting spots. Yeah, making sure that it's really coming out nicely. As you can see, I'm already shimmering. I'm already bronzed and shimmering, man. This is how you kind of get that glowy, beautiful look. Kind of like that beautiful look. And now I'm going to go in with my Fenty Beauty lip gloss. I love this bomb lip gloss. It's one of my favorite things, and I'm just gonna put that on, and that's kind of like the final look. I think it looked so pretty. As you can see, you've gotten the glowiness, and I feel like making sure that my face is moisturized before I start putting makeup definitely helps with the glowiness. And now I'm going to use Finish Setting Spray, and as you can see, that kind of gives the dewiness. Now that's what the final look looks like. I love how it turned out. I think I looked so glowy and dewy, and I am ready for summer, baby. So thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys saw how I got this look, and with the eye makeup and everything, I feel like it just came out so beautiful, and I'm really excited to just like go out and have this on right now. Alright, you know, when someone comes, this is gonna be the jam, you know? Ooh! Anyways, I thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment down low, join the family. I would love to see you guys come back to watch more of my videos. And yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in my next video. I love you guys. Peace and strength.